The American Civil Liberties Union has issued a letter calling out Taylor Swift after her lawyers threatened a blogger with a lawsuit. The piece, published on a site called Popfront, drew a connection between the Call It What You Want singer and the alt-right movement. It was written by the site's executive editor, Megan Herning, who argued that Swift's music has included alt-right language and symbolism. The post also critiqued Swift's decision not to publicly endorse a candidate in the 2016 election. Now the ACLU is involved, representing Herning and posting a cease and desist letter sent by Swift's lawyer, William J. Briggs. Calling for the post's removal, Briggs asserts the singer has no obligation to broadcast her political views, telling Herning, "The fact that her political views are not public enough for your taste does not give you the authority to presume what her political opinions may be, or that her political views correlate to the support of white supremacy." Briggs also insisted that Swift unequivocally denounces white supremacy and the alt-right.